Here's a two-wheel classic at Unique, especially in classics. Once in a while, we'll get a Harley-Davidson in, either on trade or maybe a good customer of ours. And that's the case here. Good customer of ours we've sold vehicles for before said, would you represent my Harley-Davidson and advertise it for me? So here it is. This is actually a two-owner bike. He purchased it in 1999 when it was only a year old. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on it. Of course, this one here is the Road King Classic with the 95th anniversary edition. Lots of chrome added, a lot of accessories added. Of course, the leather covered hard saddlebags, luggage rack in the back. Want to pull the little camper trailer, little trailer. It's set up for that. Hitch, also the wiring, which you kind of have tucked in behind the license plate there. Dual backrests. Check out the miles. Less than 4,000 original miles on this one. 3,929. This is going to have a sequence number. This is 1,041 out of 3,500 that were built in the Road King Classic 95th anniversary editions in 1998. As you can see, the tach, of course, the speedometer, gas gauge, throttle lock, sometimes confused with cruise control. But very nice setup, well taken care of bike, nice shape. Just going to leave those lights on so we can check those out a second. We'll do a little walk around here, fire this up, let you hear it run. Now, if you want to see the still pictures, probably get 20-25 pics of this bike online at Unique, especially in classics, which the website is going to be uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number 507-386-1726. See the dual front rotors for the brakes. Get a good look at the chrome. And again, lots of it. Lots of ads on here. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You get a good look from every angle, and again, check out the still pictures online. If you have any questions, that number, once again, 507-386-1726. All right. We are in neutral. We're going to go ahead and fire this up a second.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
See how easily it started?